Over here trying to bridge some tokens early morning. Simple swap exchanging. Trying to catch this before it finishes. Oh my god. It's that zombie network, guys. Oh, restless. Let me turn my camera off so y'all gotta see my morning face. There we go. We're right here. Zombie network. That's how much time left. And I'm on simple swap. Shit is, I don't know if I'm gonna make it, guys. Don't know if I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna be honest. Don't know if I'm gonna make it. About 15,000 to 15,000 left. Yeah. Come on, come on. Try to send a quick 220 to my Klaytn. I never did this before. Okay, it says finish. Let's see if it's over here in my Klaytn network. Oops. Oh shit, it worked. All right, let's see if I still got time, people. Did it work? Let's go, people. I think I might have made it. Yeah. Let's go. They say success. I mean, I got in. That must mean I got in. Let me check. Woo! Woo! Was I the last one? Was I the last one? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me get this straight. I thought I turned my camera off. I guess I didn't. But was I the last one? Was I the last one to get into Klaytn Network? I'm tripping. Looking at this one. I got fooled. That's why I'll do. This is my first early morning lunch. All right, right here. Still a little bit left. About 14,300. 14,278. If I did that math correctly. Boom. Da 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 da. So where do I see where I donated? This is it right here. My locked blood. All right, people. So this is Zombie Network. It's similar to Drip is a drip fork. I haven't done any videos about it, but my group, my Telegram group, join it down below. Bullpen Millionaires. A couple good people in there was telling me about this for a while, and I was like, oh yeah, that sounds official. It seems official. So you guys seen the struggles of me trying to get the tokens on it at the last second as usual. I don't know what's up with me, yo. But they're gonna have staking. You know how like Drip have the brief token and Splash has the wave token. They will actually have NFTs, something a whole different level. So you hold a couple of NFTs and you'll be able to do airdrops, receive you'll be able to receive referral bonuses and so forth. So you know when this starts, it's gonna be something different. Cool thing about this is on a different network. That how you say it? Let me not mess it up. The Klaytn network. Okay. Now the thing with the Klaytn network is you need to add it to your MetaMask wallet. what's cool is you go straight to the zombie site, click connect, and they'll add it for you. They'll give you an option to add it for you. So straightforward, simple. But like you could dress up your NFTs. This is gonna be official. I'm kind of excited that I actually got into it. Even $200, I still got into it, boy. Yo, boys here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna just upload this one straight up. Anxiety and all. Let me let the Telegram know I got in. I use Simple Swap. Yes, Simple Swap saved me. But yeah, people, I just wanted you guys to see that. Not to waste too much time. Wait, what did I do with this zombie? This zombie. Okay, let's see if it filled up. Almost there. Almost there. Glad I got a little bit of tokens in. So you'll do just like this. You come here, connect wallet. Then they'll ask you if you want to add it to your MetaMask. I already have it. So boom. Success and some Korean writing. Because this is I believe it's a Korean project. They have links to their Telegram group as well. If you guys have more intricate questions. All right, so there we go right there. And yeah, I don't want to waste too much time. I might as well play my song while we're here. Yeah. Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Financial freedom, guys. That's the goal. Like, comment, subscribe. That's the goal. If it's not the goal, what we doing? If it's not the goal, why we in this space? Yeah, boy. Shout out Big D Dripper. My boy is so official. Shout out everybody in my group that just been sharing info and going in. Like, I definitely appreciate y'all. We the best. We are the best upcoming group. You know what I mean? And I think, not 100% sure, I think I might have 2 whitelist spots for Golden Goose. You didn't see that coming, did you? But I might keep one for myself. So I might have 1. I'll probably just give it to somebody in my group. Somebody in my Telegram group gonna get that extra spot. Big facts. Big facts. We'll see how that's gonna go. Yes. Excellent. But yeah, I'm a little excited. I got into the zombie pre-sale on the Klaytn network. I don't think a lot of people got into it. I mean, obviously the pre-sale, both the whitelist pre-sale and the public pre-sale pretty much sold out, but we'll see what's gonna happen. And we're already dropping some extra gems in the group. Look. I know y'all. Hold up. It just popped up a while ago. What my boy say? Koreans pumping this shit. The Koreans pumping this shit. Gonna be a good one. I'm gonna flip goose and throw money at blood and piston. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get it. Let's get it, people. And remember, y'all could buy in and follow what I'm doing or whatever, but as you can see, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular ninja. You know what I mean? And this is not financial advice, people.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.